Hi, welcome back. Jason Mazzala with Flying Heritage Collection and Combat Armor Museum with this month's maintenance update. As you can see behind me, we've got Eric Nielsen, one of our aircraft mechanics, continuing the annual on our Grumman F6F Hellcat. We've got a few things to wrap up in the engine section, and then we're out for engine runs and then a maintenance flight. Speaking of maintenance flights, we were able to do a few of those this month. We flew our Mitsubishi Zero, our Spitfire, and our B-25 bomber, and those all got successful maintenance flights put on them. And we were fortunate enough to work a 3-ship photo flight out of that as well, so you could expect to see some content sometime in the future from that. One interesting thing that we did this month is that we revealed the ME262 paint scheme. So you can find that by clicking below, so I would encourage you to go now because it's quite a paint job and something to see. Coming up in maintenance, we'll be doing the annual inspection on the de Havilland Mosquito, and so that'll be all opened up for all of you models or modelers who might be interested in that. And then further from that, we'll be getting ready for our big June flying event, Women in Wartime, where we will be flying over 5 of our different aircraft and operating some of our armor. Speaking of armor, they've had a huge month. We just got done with our Tank Fest Northwest 2019, and it was a huge success. A lot of our time, whether it's armor and getting some assistance from aircraft in the month of May, is really dedicated towards preparing for Tank Fest. So we did a lot of maintenance operations on everything from the Kitten Crad to the M60. Lots of stuff in between. We operate quite a few of the artifacts for Tank Fest. In addition to that, we did training. So we got some new employees, new recruits trained in a lot of that armor. And we did recurrent training for all of the operators that typically operate those. One kind of special thing that we were able to do for Tank Fest was we debuted the M26 Pershing tank. And that was a pretty big success. It's a very interesting and rare tank, and if you haven't seen that operate, well, you guys should come by for one of the events. Until next month, we'll see you.